A very good afternoon. A very good afternoon to all of you. I'm Dr. Pankaj Sharma. I'm a family physician, and it's some concern that made me talk to you guys. At least the people who know me, and I think I can help them out. I was out for work today, and there were many more people who were out for work, for shopping, and that really bothered me. What majorly bothered me was this lockdown number 4, and I would call this lockdown number 4 as a lockdown of responsibility, because this particular lockdown is we are going to meet a lot of people, we are going to interact with a lot of people, which was missing in lockdown number 1, 2, lockdown number 3, because most of the people were home. One or two people from the family were going out shopping grocery and everything and coming back home, and hardly the things were, the interaction among the people ever developed, and the chances of the coronavirus getting and spreading was much lesser. But what is really a matter of concern is that now we are all out. We are all out. Almost everybody is going to be out within no days. But how to behave responsibly? Because another botheration about this COVID-19 is the behavior of the virus is still almost not known. A very little amount of information about this coronavirus is with us. And one of our teachers, anatomy teachers, who I worked with also, she used to tell me, make the best use of whatever you have. So whatever little information that we have about the virus, I think we need to know this, and we need to act accordingly, and so that we live safe and all the people we know live safe. Just enumerating that what all we now know about this virus. This is a heavy virus. It settles down on the surfaces, and these stays on the particular surfaces minimum 2 days. I'm sorry. And the virus, it is given out from an infected person through aerosol. Number 3, it dissolves with soap solutions, with the soap, or with the alcohol solutions. And what is the concentration of that alcohol? Minimum 65% of alcohol. It's needed. Anything above 65% is most welcome. So we need to use all these parameters. And another, which is still a little doubtful, that it gets killed at 27 degrees centigrade. So we can make use of all these 4 parameters, and we can really chalk out a very simple way. Aerosol, how to prevent this aerosol reaching us? That we have a social distancing of at least 2 meters, right? It dissolutes or dissolve with the soap solution or with the alcohol solution. So we can keep washing our hands minimum 1 hour in a day, and we can also sanitize our hands now and then after we have touched various surfaces. And it is killed at 27 degrees centigrade. Not pretty sure about it, but it is quite a probability. Yes, it does. So we can keep taking warm beverages, coffee, tea, even warm water, anything above a temperature of 27 degrees centigrade. So all these things are going to help us. And I think another thing we need to, because fighting corona is going to be the survival of the fittest, right? And it is also known that and who's going to be the fittest? Whose immunity is going to be more. And how do we improve our immunity? There are 100. It is not just the physical immunity right now which is a matter of concern. It is your physical, your mental, and your spiritual. So we have to keep a balance. We have to be mentally fit, we have to be physically fit. And mentally fit means being just positive. Either meditating in a day, exercising for half an hour, any exercise, any way you can help yourself. So this adrenaline release in our body after the exercise, that is a hormone for fight or flight. That is, either we fight a situation or we run away from a situation. So this particular situation we are in is a situation which we have to fight, and this adrenaline release is going to help fight this situation. So we have to really work out hard, we have to eat very, very good, we have to take all a very, very balanced diet full of fruits, salads, good amount of liquids, warm beverages, and try to avoid the colder things, which I think the younger generation is not keeping away from. So we have to educate them why we need not take these cold things. And I think that's for the day. Be positive, stay happy, and I think God bless you all. Thank you so much.